Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add your Outlook or Hotmail account to Gmail in 2025. If you're tired of switching back and forth between inboxes, this guide will help you manage everything from one place. Stick with me until the end because I'll walk you through step by step, and by the time we're done, your Outlook emails will land directly inside your Gmail inbox, fully synced, secure, and organized. First things first, this process works best on a computer, so open up your browser and log into the Gmail account you want to use. Now, look at the top right corner of your Gmail screen and click on the gear icon. From the drop-down, select See All Settings. Once you're in, navigate to the tab called Accounts and Import. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Check Mail from Other Accounts. Here, click Add a Mail Account. A small pop-up window will appear. Enter your Outlook or Hotmail email address, then hit Next. Now you'll see two options, but the one you want is Link Account with Gmail, Gmailify. This option gives you the best experience. It allows you to read and reply from Gmail, organizes your emails automatically, and even applies Google's strong spam protection. Go ahead and click Next. At this point, you'll be asked to sign in to your Outlook account. Enter your password, complete any security verification steps, and confirm that Gmail can access your account. Don't worry, this is completely safe and necessary for the sync to work. Once you finish, you'll be redirected back to Gmail. To check that everything worked, refresh your inbox. You should now see your Outlook emails appearing directly in Gmail. From here on, you can manage both accounts from one dashboard, reply, organize, and search all in one place. And that's it. You've successfully added your Outlook account to Gmail using Gmailify. This little trick makes email management so much easier, especially if you're juggling multiple accounts. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and don't forget to check out the other helpful guides on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.